Hey everyone, welcome back to TSTechTalk. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced AI tools out there, Sora AI by OpenAI. If you've seen those ultra-realistic AI videos online, that's Sora. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Sora AI step by step. So first, what exactly is Sora AI? Sora is OpenAI's powerful video generation model that can turn text prompts into full HD video clips. It can create realistic scenes, characters, and movements, all from a simple sentence. Think of it as the future of video creation powered entirely by your imagination. Now, how do you access Sora AI? Currently, Sora is in limited access, available only to select researchers and creators. To get started, visit openai.com/Sora and sign up or join the waitlist. Once approved, you'll get access to the Sora interface, where you can type your text prompts and start generating videos. Here's how it works. First, type a detailed prompt. For example, a cinematic shot of a man walking through neon-lit Tokyo streets at night. Next, click Generate Video. Then, Sora will produce a realistic, motion-accurate video in just a few minutes. You can preview, download, or refine it by adjusting your prompt. Want the best results? Be specific with your prompts. Include camera angles, lighting, and action details, and try different video styles, cinematic, animation, or even product demo. Sora AI is perfect for content creators, filmmakers, and educators who want to bring ideas to life instantly. And that's how you use Sora AI to create next-generation videos using nothing but your imagination. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI tech updates, right here on TSTechTalk. See you in the next one.